How to recover your TikTok ban for no reason. So let's get straight into the video. So the first thing you want to do is simply open your TikTok application, and generally there is going to be a account banned message. You can click on see details to understand what really happened. Then you want to simply collect all necessary information to prove that your account should be restored and why it was a mistake. Then what you want to do is simply go to your settings, or you could also go to report a problem page of TikTok by just simply searching for TikTok report a problem. Then click on account ban slash suspension and simply go ahead and explain why your account was banned by mistake and provide any additional screenshots, and simply go ahead and send your appeal. Then TikTok will update you by email. You want to check your inbox, spam, and promotion. And if it is approved, then your account will be restored. I hope this video clarifies everything for you. If you have further more queries, feel free to comment down below, and I'll see you on the next one.